Welcome to Iprolo Academy, your go-to resource for mastering dropshipping. We found a common mistake that some TikTok creators pay 99% attention to their content, but 1% to their profile. Apparently, they underestimate the importance of profile. So why account profile matter? The truth is, people won't have a deal with suspicious accounts, since these accounts have no credibility. To make your account trustful and promote potential business, you need to complete your account profile first. A complete profile has 3 components. The first one is the username. All your activities on TikTok are associated with your username. Choosing a username that represents your brand, and it has to be recognizable. For example, you can use the similar username like at Cook with Susan or at Susan Recipe as your username if your content is about cooking or you sell recipes. As you can see, when I type cooking on the search engine, high-related usernames with will show up in our search result. Connecting your username with your business could increase the chances of being found, and you'd better to use the same username in all social platforms. After choosing your username, it's time to craft a compelling bio. Some creators will tend to introduce themselves in their bio. For example, I'm a mother with 2 kids or a marketing specialist. It's not a kind of great bio since it neglected altruism. You have to tell people what they can get from you, and that's the reason why they follow you. Just like this creator, one of my favorite creators, she tells people that they can get social media strategies by following her. Telling people what they can get from you is better than only introducing yourself. Due to the limited characters on TikTok and people's lack of patience, you don't have to put a bunch of words into your bio. Just generalize it into a sentence and add a few cute emoji. The last will be profile photo. Profile photo is also important for your account. Choosing an image that reflects your brand most, or what kind of content you're creating. For example, you can use the brand logo to be your profile photo if you use it as a brand account such as Iprolo. You can also use a photo of you or the things you're creating as your profile photos if you're a personal brand. For example, a yoga picture of you, if your content is about yoga. Remember, the profile photo must be simple but recognizable, so that you can make sure people recognize your account in a second. After you set all the components, it's time to refine your profile. Let's type the keyword yoga again, and you can see the link feature is commonly used by active creators. For businessmen, all your activities on TikTok are for making money, so you have to tell your potential customers where to find the products or services. Inserting your website link into your bio can help your customers to find the products or services they are interested in faster, and bring your website a great partial of organic traffic. Besides, a call to action can also help promote your business. A call to action is a hint that asks visitors to take a specific action such as downloading a document or buying a product. Adding a call to action with a link can increase the chance of making deals. For example, shop below and attach your store link. The last thing about profile is to organize your content. People are lack of patience with everything now. They might hit your profile and leave in a second. To make your visitors stay, you'd better learn how to organize your content since it will show up in your profile page. TikTok has a pin feature to place your best video at the top of your overall videos. By pinning the best video, the visitors are more likely to watch and explore your page to find the same type of content. TikTok allows creators to pin up 3 videos, and you can pin the videos you like such as introduction, popular video, and the latest announcement. It's depend on your purpose. Another way to organize your content is to create a playlist. Playlist is a list of videos that can be played back on a media player. You can place all videos of the same type into a playlist and name it such as Q&A. The benefit of creating a playlist is visitors can find the same type of content easily. The visitors will likely spend more time on your page when they hit into the content they need. Playlist is a helpful feature, but not everyone is allowed to use it. TikTok only allows creators with at least 10,000 followers to use it. You can consider it as a motivational reward. When you publish more videos, gaining more followers, you're closer to this feature, and more in need of organizing with the playlist. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching it. A trustful profile may not help you boost sales directly, but it does increase the chances of people hitting your account, bringing you potential customers. Pay more attention to your profile. It's a necessary step for developing your account.